Yes, of course, welcome back at this channel. Habari to everyone. How are you? How are you, my guys? How are you, my buddies? So guess what? Today I've brought you this tip which we're going to use to have the halation. I know you have ever heard of the halation. Halation is a field you put onto your video and it looks so cinematic or juicy. So this thing, you're going to learn how to create it. You know, you are being there wondering, how can I make halation if I'm not using DaVinci? Also here in Premiere Pro, it's possible. Many things are possible here in Premiere Pro when it comes to color grading. If you just have to understand how the effects work, how the flow works, so it's very, very simple and easy here in Premiere Pro. You can get it, okay? So today I brought it how to make the halation into Premiere Pro. Next time I'll be giving a tutorial about the DaVinci. So let's jump into here without wasting of time. Would you love to elevate your colors from boring to attractive? This is the time. I have brought you a 3-print film emulation that's going to turn your digital footage into cinematic film look. It is easy to use, works on photos and videos, inspired by film stock, perfect for colorists and creators. The link is in the description, and remember, it's on a discounted price. First and foremost, you're going to create, let me first create this. First and foremost, this is our video as you see it. It's already in Rec 79 with a nice color collection. So what next do you think? We have to create another, you have to create a new item. Come to new item, you right click, then you come to the new item. Then after you come to the adjustment layer, create new item, adjustment layer. So you have to create it. So this is done. So you have to drop it onto this video. So this is our first adjustment layer. Today we're going to use just one adjustment layer, but still you can use 2 adjustment layers. But for its perfection or to manage time, you can use 1 adjustment layer. So after this, you have to come and search something called Gaussian. Okay, search Gaussian, you drop it onto the video. So after dropping it on the video, straight away you have to come to the effect control. You increase the blur up to 100. Let's give it 100. So this is done. So you see how it looks, but still we have this black edge. So you have to just click on the repeat edge pixels, and that's all it to get out. So after that, you have to come back here at the effect control. Then you search something called ASC. So ASC, it's a plugin. It's a effect into the effects panel of the Premiere Pro. So you have to double click on it, or you can drop off on the adjustment layer. After dropping it onto the adjustment layer, what next you have to do? Here is a trick. You have to know this. So you have to leave your camera start here. The saturation you have to leave it at 1, and the blue you have to leave the blue power, you have to leave it at 1. Then this you can leave it at 0. You can leave it at 0. Then this you can leave it, drop it at 0. So after that, then this you can leave it at 1. Okay, and this you can leave it at 0. So then this one you can put it at 0. You got a point here. 1 1 0 0 1, and here 0 0 1 0 1. So now you see our screen is getting red. So what next do we have now? We have to change the blending mode. The blending mode, you change it to from normal to light. You get a point. So this is very, very, very amazing. It brings you that halation. This is very nice. So after doing this, you see how the halation is onto the subject and the entire video. So if you feel like this is much, you can a bit reduce on the opacity of the adjustment. Okay. So you can, it's up to you which opacity percentage do you want this to be. You can put it at 350, you can leave it at 100. It's up to you. What do you want? What do you want exactly? So this is how we create the halation into Premiere Pro. I'll bring more tips about halation creation, and you get to know these techniques. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, comment whatever you want to know. You make some engagement so that we elevate our skills of color grading into Premiere Pro as well as into DaVinci Resolve. Thank you very much. Bye bye.